In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Snapchat. First, you will need to open the App Store if you are using an iPhone or iPad. This is where you can find and download applications for your device. On the screen, you will see a variety of apps, games, and updates available for your device. Look for the blue icon with a white A inside it. Tapping on this icon will take you into the App Store. If you are using an Android device, you will open the Google Play Store instead. The Google Play Store has a similar layout, characterized by a colorful play button icon. Opening these stores is the first step in accessing a world of applications, including Snapchat. Next, you will need to search for Snapchat. In the App Store or Google Play Store, there is a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on that search bar and type in Snapchat from Snap Inc. Make sure to include the full name to get the most accurate results. As you type, you will see suggestions appear below. This is helpful as it can guide you to the exact app you want. Once you find Snapchat in the results, it is crucial to select the correct app as there are many similar ones. This step is essential because it ensures you are downloading the official app, which is secure and up to date. After locating Snapchat, you will tap Get if you are on an iPhone or iPad. For Android users, you will tap Install. This action initiates the download process. You will see a loading symbol on the screen as the app begins to download. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few moments. This step is important because it ensures that you are receiving the latest version of the app, which includes all the new features and bug fixes. Once the app has finished downloading and installing, the next step is to tap Open. This action will launch Snapchat for the first time. You will see the Snapchat welcome screen, which gives you a brief introduction to the app's features. It is an exciting moment as you are now ready to start exploring the app. Tapping Open is a crucial step as it allows you to access the app immediately after installation, saving you time and keeping the momentum going. Now you will need to sign in with your existing Snapchat account or create a new one to start using the app. If you already have an account, enter your username and password to log in. For new users, there will be an option to create a new account. You will need to enter some basic information like your name and date of birth. This step is vital because it personalizes your Snapchat experience and allows you to connect with friends. After completing the sign-in process, you will be taken to the Snapchat camera screen. This is where the fun begins. You can start snapping photos and videos right away. Remember, Snapchat is all about sharing moments with your friends in a fun and creative way. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed at first. You will quickly get the hang of it. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded Snapchat and signed in. Enjoy using the app and don't hesitate to explore all its features. This journey is just the beginning of your Snapchat experience. Happy snapping!